Good evening, everyone. My name is Hanif Smythe. This is my Capstone report, and today we're going to focus on the impact that technology has on the accounting industry. Let's dive right into it. Day by day, the world is changing drastically to the advances in technology, and the industry that we're going to focus on is the industry of accounting. Now, with the creation of TurboTax, accountants took a big hit, which allowed individuals to file their taxes with just using their phone. This eliminates the need of a tax office or face-to-face interactions with accountants. And also, mobile banking took it a step further with various banking apps along with other investment apps to give their consumers the ability to view their entire portfolio and conduct business domestically or internationally with just one hand. With all these challenges taken into consideration, accountants face losing their client base as well as losing their business practices due to the convenience the Internet of Things is providing. Now, we're currently in the age of technology, and the internet presides over it all. Almost every business, no matter the size, is on the internet or using the internet to grow its client base. The internet converts ideas into profit, no matter how small or how large. The internet provides the medium to reach consumers worldwide. We are seeing today how companies boom literally overnight, and it is only possible because of the internet's ability to reach across the world in a matter of seconds. Now, the smartphone is one of the greatest inventions mankind ever made. It gives the ability to conduct global business transactions. The average person is able to view daily, weekly, monthly transactions and their up-to-date balances in a matter of minutes. Thanks to the internet, gone are the days of booking appointments, trying to phone in a banker for updates on your spending. The convenience internet provides has changed how the world operates today. Now, big data is becoming a superpower in the field of accounting. It provides improved managerial accounting, financial accounting, and financial reporting practices. It allows stockholders and investors the ability to view every aspect of the business, ranging from inventory reports to financial statements. Big data also plays a role in achieving company goals by discovering behaviors correlated with specific goal outcomes. And with second-by-second analysis, big data can help companies strive better than before. And visuals provided can give better understanding of how every single penny is spent. And with this technology going hand in hand with analysts, a company can calculate its goals, how to get there, what it takes to get there, and how long it will take. This allows for more productivity in the workplace along with less stress on the analysts themselves. Now, global commerce is how economies interact with each other and ultimately makes the world go around. Goods cannot be sent from country to country without a cost, and with millions of global transactions done every single day, there's a risk of information becoming vulnerable to hackers, leakers, or from industry competitors. Now, the blockchain provides a safety net for business-to-business transactions as well as business-to-consumer transactions, which eliminates the need for the middleman. This, in fact, enhances the global economy and makes business seamless. And when it comes to security, blockchain provides a state-of-the-art technology that creates and calculates advanced formulae that create blocks containing millions of characters in each code. Each block is automatically created every 10 minutes, which make them impenetrable. And only the owner to the blockchain or parties allowed to view the blockchain have access to the ever-changing locks provided every 10 minutes. If both parties are able to view the same document at the same time, every second of the day, no one is getting cheated or taken advantage of. Now, in conclusion, it comes down to the choice of the individual or of the corporation, conducting management of your own business yourself or your team versus hiring an industry-certified professional to manage the business for you. In the case of a small business owner or an individual looking to cut costs while growing their business, may choose the revolutionary route of gathering information themselves and conducting business on their own terms. But this may cause legal trouble later on. In terms of billions of dollars worth of investor capital on the line, a more traditional route of seeking help from an accounting firm or incorporating an accounting division in the company may seem safer as well as more reliable. And with this changing world, traditional methods will become outdated and may put a company behind its competitors. And in business, if you're not first, you're last. And with the internet, the mobile revolution, blockchains, and big data taken into consideration, these challenges accountants face may in fact not necessarily be challenges. However, they will establish even greater roles for accountants in the coming future. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful day.